What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online with TV shows and movies legally, without paid traffic, without content, and without affiliate marketing. Okay, this is an alternative to affiliate marketing. I have nothing against affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. I make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but this is another powerful revenue source. Okay, I'm going to show you what it's all about today. Okay. Also, make sure to like and subscribe, okay? It helps out the channel. You can get more tutorials, more case studies like this. You can take a nice peek inside of a successful online business. And as always, you're gonna wanna watch this until the very end to get all the details, to duplicate my method, and to avoid pitfalls. This is very important, guys, because I'm gonna show you not only what a winner looks like, but also what a failure looks like, okay? I'm going to show you the only product within my stable of baby shower games that does not make any money whatsoever, okay? I'm going to show you that right now, okay? So this is a failure. Check this out. Ba-bum. This is a inspired, really important, that keyword, inspired, frozen baby shower game set. Now, I very well can't use the Frozen image, the cartoon, because Disney would strike it down, okay, with legal action. So I had to skirt around the IP, the intellectual property, with a silhouette of the main princess from Frozen, but she doesn't have a face. I thought at the time it would work. I thought it would sell, and it's been years now, and let me show you. There's a big fat goose egg. Look at that. Big fat goose egg. Inspired Frozen baby shower printable game set has made 0 sales in all these years. Nothing at all. Okay, it's really depressing. Okay, so there you go. This equals this. Okay, nothing. The market has spoken. This is crap, people say. And in hindsight, yeah, it looks creepy. No, it's a faceless silhouette of Elsa. Okay, now let me show you a winner. Okay. Here we have House Stork. This I made many years ago, and it still earns online to this day, but not as much as it used to, because this TV show, Game of Thrones, has since run its course. I believe the final episode was aired, in 2017. Okay, so this is based off the Game of Thrones. And Game of Thrones is a very violent TV show, and I had to make a parody out of it because there was keyword traffic at the time for what do you call this, Game of Thrones baby shower. So I made this little cute printable game set, and it sold a lot. It still sells to this day, but not as much as it used to. Okay, I made over, as you can see here, over $1,000. I sold over 117 units. And this is pure profit. I didn't pay for any traffic. This is free traffic from Pinterest. If you follow any of my guides, you know one of the ways of profit online. As you can see, this is the name of the product, House Stork, not House Stark, House Stork. A play on words, because the stork brings the baby in that folk tale. The stork brings the baby to the household. So instead of Stark, it's Stork. Okay, so this is a success. Boom, House Stork. Over $1,000. Okay, beautiful. And it took me maybe 20 to 30 minutes to create this. Very easy stuff. Usually I make 12 printables. Here I believe I have 8. Okay, so very, very simple stuff. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take this failure, this flop, this big goose egg I'm gonna turn it into a success. Okay, so here is the Frozen baby shower interest graph within Google Trends, right? You can see it pretty much stays the same. There's always an interest for Frozen. I think it's Disney's most popular IP to date. I think it just blows everything else out of the water in terms of gross sales, or how much merchandise they sell off of Frozen, how many times that movie's been seen. It's just, there's Frozen mania. Up to today, people are still talking about and have interest for the movie Frozen. Okay, so as you can see, Frozen baby shower, there's a steady amount of interest in it. Okay, now I know that I can't very well use the IP. And I know that my effort to skirt around the IP has resulted in failure. So what I can do is look for something similar. So here we have Winter Wonderland Baby Shower, right? So Wonderland Baby Shower has its peaks and valleys, as you can see. When winter, towards the end of winter, there's very little interest in it. And as the summer picks up, when winter is coming back, the interest, starts to rise again, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my baby shower Frozen inspired product here. I'm going to remove Elsa, okay, from all of these game sets. Remove Elsa and replace it with one of these cute little characters here. Let me show you right quick. I have these cute little winter focused characters that I got off of Pixabay, okay? Now, if you want to get your own, Pixabay is public domain resource. If you want to use their videos and images, just search. So I'm going to put in winter. I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, put in winter. Then you're going to want to go to images, click on illustrations, and then after illustrations, you're going to want to go to color, and you're going to click on transparent. And this will filter out images that you don't need. Okay, so these are the images. This is where, within this lot of images, is where I found these three little graphics. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that back down, and I'm going to replace Elsa, or my Elsa lookalike, with one of these creatures. One of these Winter Wonderland characters. Okay, so I'm gonna put a snowman here, like that, and I'm gonna do that for all of these games. There's 12 games in all, and then once I'm done with that, I'll have a new game, a whole new game set that I can sell on my site. Okay, on my site, but I can focus on another keyword, Winter Wonderland. And I'm gonna focus this keyword. I'm gonna use this keyword for my YouTube content and for my Pinterest pins, okay? So I'm gonna use that. I'm not writing any content, I'm not writing any posts. That's another avenue, by the way. You could write a post about Winter Wonderland baby shower ideas, have like maybe 15 different ideas, and within the article, you can have images and links pointing back to your product. Now, I hate writing, so that's not what I'm gonna do. I used to do it a lot. But now I'm all about videos and Pinterest pins, because it takes just a quarter of the time, and the results speak for themselves. I get much more traffic. I want to focus. I want to save as much time as possible while getting as many positive results. Okay, so I'm all about that. So I urge you to do the same thing. If you like writing, that's definitely an avenue for you, using Google to get traffic to your site. Okay, so I got this one here. I'm going to remove this one here. I'm going to add maybe a reindeer here, and just alternate between these different games. Okay, so this is the end result of my efforts. Now I'm going to post this game onto my site, and then I'm going to create a pin or several pins for it on Pinterest. And maybe later down the road, as soon as things start picking up and people start buying this product, I'll create a YouTube video for it, and get traffic that way. Now, if you're wondering what would I do with a YouTube video, simply I would create a tutorial on how to create their own Winter Wonderland printable game, and get that traffic onto my link. And you might be saying to yourself, well, Ike, what's the point of that? Then they won't need to buy. Well, I'm going to show them that it takes time and effort. And if it takes time and effort, a very good way to sell to them is to show them that, well, I already have these games done for you. If you want to get them now for only $11. Okay, and there you go, right? I'm offering value either way. I'm helping them create the game themselves, or they can just buy it from me for very cheap. Okay. Well, there you go. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be good and take care. Bye.